Want to install new fonts on your MacBook Neo? It's actually very simple. First, open the Font Book app. As you can see, a lot of fonts are already pre-installed here. The ones that appear grayed out are available, but not yet installed. You can simply click on any of them to install. But if the font you want isn't in this list, you have a couple of options. You can check the App Store if it's available there, or open any browser of your choice, search for the font, go to a trusted website, and download it to your Mac. Once downloaded, open the Downloads folder and double-click on the font file. This will open a pop-up. Just click on Install Font. After installing, the font will be added to the All Fonts list. And if you go to My Fonts, you'll see all the fonts you've installed yourself. That's how you can download and add fonts on your MacBook Neo. Thanks for being with us.